Welcome back to Auto Hub Info, the place where we bring you the latest, most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into one of the most luxurious and advanced full-size sedans on the market, the 2025 Genesis G90. A name that stands for premium craftsmanship, innovation, and elegant performance, the Genesis G90 is not just a car, it's an experience. So, what exactly is the Genesis G90? The Genesis G90 is the flagship luxury sedan from Genesis, the premium arm of South Korea's Hyundai Motor Company. First introduced in 2015, the G90 was created to compete directly with the likes of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and Audi A8. The idea behind its invention was to offer world-class luxury and high-end technology, all at a significantly more accessible price than its German rivals. With the 2025 model, Genesis has taken things to a whole new level, combining opulence, comfort, and technology in a package that can easily stand toe-to-toe with the most established names in the luxury segment. The 2025 Genesis G90 continues to represent the pinnacle of Korean luxury engineering. South Korea, being the birthplace of Genesis, remains a major market for the G90. However, the car has seen growing popularity in North America, particularly in the United States, where it's gaining traction among buyers who want a luxury car that's distinctive, not just another badge in the parking lot. The G90 is also making waves in the Middle East and parts of Asia, where the demand for high-end sedans with unique styling and excellent comfort is on the rise. Popularity-wise, the G90 is starting to carve out its own space in the ultra-competitive luxury sedan segment. What makes it stand out isn't just its features, but the value proposition it brings to the table. The 2025 model is especially making headlines for its attention to detail, whisper-quiet cabin, and a suite of features that often cost thousands more on competing models. Celebrities, CEOs, and professionals alike are beginning to choose the G90 as a symbol of understated elegance. It's not about flaunting wealth, it's about enjoying refined comfort and cutting-edge design. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Genesis G90 is available with two refined powertrain options. The base engine is a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 that delivers a smooth 375 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque. But for those seeking even more performance, Genesis offers a version of the same engine paired with a 48-volt electric supercharger, pushing output to 409 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque. The result is a luxury sedan that moves with the confidence of a sports car while maintaining the composure of a limousine. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, the G90 delivers smooth acceleration, excellent handling, and a truly serene driving experience. Fuel efficiency in the G90 is also quite respectable, considering its size and segment. The twin-turbo V6 offers an EPA estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. The supercharged version drops slightly, offering around 17 mpg city and 24 mpg highway. While these numbers may not rival a compact hybrid, for a full-size luxury sedan with this level of power and equipment, the G90 holds its own quite well. Capability-wise, the 2025 G90 is more than just a luxurious cruiser. With advanced adaptive air suspension, it soaks up road imperfections and adjusts ride height based on speed and driving conditions. Whether you're gliding over city potholes or cruising down the highway, the G90 delivers a butter-smooth experience. Add to that its powerful drivetrain and sophisticated stability systems, and you've got a car that feels planted, balanced, and totally in control at all times. For those living in areas with variable weather, the optional all-wheel drive system ensures confidence and grip no matter the conditions. The list of key features on the 2025 Genesis G90 is nothing short of astonishing. Inside, you're greeted by ultra-premium Nappa leather upholstery, real wood and metal trim, a panoramic sunroof, and heated, ventilated, and massaging seats for both front and rear passengers. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a second 12.3-inch infotainment display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a head-up display, and a 23-speaker Bang & Olufsen premium audio system are all standard. Rear seat passengers are treated to their own infotainment screens, powered sunshades, and full control over climate and seat functions. This car isn't just about driving, it's about being driven, too. Technology is a huge focus on the 2025 G90. Features like facial recognition for driver settings, fingerprint authentication, and remote smart parking assist put the G90 at the cutting edge of automotive innovation. It even comes with a fragrance diffuser, ambient lighting themes, and noise-canceling technology that uses the car's stereo system to eliminate road noise. For safety, the G90 is equipped with every advanced system imaginable: adaptive cruise control, highway driving assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot view monitor, forward collision avoidance, and a surround view camera system, just to name a few. As for price, the 2025 Genesis G90 starts at around $90,000 for the base model with the twin-turbo V6, while the upgraded version with the supercharger and all-wheel drive can reach up to $100,000 or slightly more when fully equipped. While that might seem like a hefty price tag, when you compare it to the competition, the G90 is actually a bargain. A similarly equipped Mercedes-Benz S-Class or BMW 7 Series can cost anywhere from $15,000 to $30,000 more. What Genesis offers is maximum value for your money, world-class luxury and features without the inflated badge premium. The biggest selling point of the 2025 Genesis G90 is its ability to deliver flagship luxury without compromise. It's for people who appreciate fine materials, innovative technology, and a quiet, commanding presence on the road, but don't necessarily need to follow the crowd. The G90 speaks to a new generation of luxury buyers who are looking for something fresh, sophisticated, and authentic. It's a luxury sedan that dares to be different, and in doing so, it might just be the smartest choice in its class. Thanks for tuning into Auto Hub Info. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Genesis G90, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the hottest cars in the game. Stay sharp, drive smart, and we'll catch you in the next one.